To SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Universal Sudoku puzzle on January 22, 2022, 6-star Sudoku. Column F and column G we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. 8th row also we have 4. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. 9 will come in any one of the cells, will confirm later. Column E and column F we have 9. 10th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row we have 9. Column H also we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. 9 is confirmed here. Ninth row and 10th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6 will confirm later. Column H and column J we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, 5th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column I we have 5 and 7. 5 and 7 can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then in this grid only 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 6, 8. We will confirm later. Then column I only 1 numbers are remaining. 3 is confirmed here. In this grid 8 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. 10th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Ninth row 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6 will confirm later. In this grid 5 will come in any one of the cells. Will confirm later. Column C we have 6, 7 and 8. It can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the 3 cells. Will confirm later. Then only 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 5. 5th row and 6th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 3 and 5. It will come in any one of these cells. Will confirm later. Then column C 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 9. In this grid we have already 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. In this grid 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4 will confirm later. 3rd row and 4th row we have 5. Column D also we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 3rd row and column D we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 2nd row and 3rd row we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. In this grid, we have 6, so 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Second row we have 9. So 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then only in this grid only one numbers are remaining. 3 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8 will confirm later. Third row and fourth row we have 2. Column E also we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Sixth row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. In this grid we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 1 is here. Ninth row only one numbers are remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then in this grid only one numbers are remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Tenth row only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5 will confirm later. Second row and third row, fourth row we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Column G also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Fifth row and seventh row we have 2. Column E also we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Sixth row we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. Then only one numbers are remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Column E we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. Seventh row also we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Third row and seventh row we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. In this grid only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Second row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third row only 1 numbers are remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column J we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fourth row only 1 numbers are remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column J only 1 numbers are remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Second row only 1 numbers are remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Fifth row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G only 1 numbers are remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 5. Fifth row we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. Sixth row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here, then 6 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 confirmed in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.